Hello and welcome to CT Apex Podcast, the GovCon Mindset. This podcast is focused on breaking down the world of government contracting into bite-sized pieces of information for experienced and new contractors. I'm your host today, Andres Kabache, Procurement Counselor at CT Apex. I'm joined today by Ishrat Nazmi, Business Development Manager at the Connecticut Apex Accelerator. In today's episode, we're diving deep into Bidmatch, a powerful time-saving tool that connects businesses like yours to government contracting opportunities. Whether you're an established aerospace manufacturer or a precision machine shop just starting to explore federal markets, this episode is designed to help you understand, activate, and maximize the Bidmatch system. So let's get started. Imagine a service that searches over 2,000 government websites daily, including SAM.gov, DLA DIBS, FedConnect, state procurement portals, and more, to deliver leads tailored to your businesses automatically. That's what Bidmatch, provided by Outreach System, does. It's not a random feed, it's custom built using keywords, NAICS codes, and product classifications specific to your business. And here's the best part, Bidmatch is completely free for Connecticut Apex clients. So instead of wasting hours sifting through relevant RFPs, RFQs, and sources sought notices, you get only the matches that matter. And that matters a lot to small businesses who have limited bandwidth as it is. So Ishrat, how does it work?
Thank you, Andres, for that introductions and description of Bidmatch. Bidmatch is not a self-service platform. It's managed by your Connecticut Apex Accelerator representative, meaning you have an advisor working with you to tailor your profile. Here is a four-step process to get started. First, become a Connecticut Apex client. To use Bidmatch, you need to be a Connecticut Apex client. If you are not already working with us, head to ctapex.org and click Request Counseling. It's quick, easy, and free. We support Connecticut businesses pursuing federal, state, and local contracts, particularly in sectors like defense manufacturing, aerospace, biotech, constructions, cybersecurity. The step two would be to meet with your counselors. During our intake sessions, we'll ask detailed questions about your business. What do you make or do? Who are your customers? What certifications do you have? For example, ISO or AS 9100. What are your core materials or process? Do you want federal or state level opportunities or both? All of these helps to tailor your profile using standardized industry codes and business specific terminologies. Next comes step three, building your profile with your Connecticut Apex counselor using NAICS code, product and service codes, and keywords. This is where Bidmatch becomes powerful. We work with you to build a profile using NAICS code. NAICS codes classify your industry. Here is an example of a precision aerospace machine shop NAICS code. It would be 332710 would be for machine shop. 336413 would be aircraft parts manufacturing. Overall, the 33 codes are all manufacturing. We can also include product and service code such as 1560 for airframe structure components, 1680 for aircraft accessories and component, 3455 for cutting tool or machining tool. And now we can also include keywords. These are the secret sauce. These are industry specific words that pertain to your unique service, which we input into your profile, such as CNC machining, Swiss turning, aerospace tooling, titanium components, AS 9100 certified, etc. These keywords trigger daily matches and they are updated and anytime your service evolves.
And now, Ishrat, can you give us an example of building a real profile?
Sure. Let's walk through a sample profile for a company called Precision Dynamics LLC, a small machine shop that manufactures components for aerospace primes. They're located in Middletown, Connecticut. They're AS 9100 certified, makes landing gear brackets, and internal engine parts. They focus on small product runs and prototyping. Here's what their profile might look. As first NAICS code, we would use the same profile, same NAICS code I described earlier, 332710 machine shop, 336412 aircraft engine manufacturing, 336413 aircraft components. And we would use the same product and service code I described earlier, such as 1560, 1580, 2840. And when it comes to keywords, we would use keywords such as CNC turning, engine parts, aluminum and titanium machining, aerospace components, jet engine support bracket, reverse engineering, uh, GD&T precisions, prototyping, machinings. These are example of keywords. And again, these are keywords that we ask you to provide to your counselors because they're specific to your service, specific to your industry. This profile is then submitted to outreach system by your Connecticut Apex counselors. Within 1 to 2 days, Bidmatch begins delivering tailored opportunities directly to your inbox.
This seems very extensive. But here's the big question. How does a client use the leads?
Great questions. Each emails will include a summary of the opportunity, agency name, matching keywords that triggered the alert, a direct link to the source, to sam.gov or DIBS, etc. This helps you quickly evaluate fit, and with the aid of your Connecticut Apex counselors, they can guide you on how to best proceed. You can also access all past leads through your personal My Bidmatch profile. And if you are not seeing quality leads, you can contact us. We can tweak your keywords, codes, and or scopes. It's that easy.
So it sounds like this isn't really a one and done process. You have to fine tune it over time. What are some tips to keep your profile effective?
That's right. It's an evolving process. You would be in touch with your counselors, update often, add new capabilities, add machines, add certifications, and review matching keywords. They show that triggering each. They show what triggered each match. Narrow or expand scope. We can adjust your profile if you are getting too many or too few leads. Tell us your target agency also. We can prioritize based on your target agency, such as only the Air Force or the DLA.
Okay. Now, Ishrat, for our audience who are already using Bidmatch, how can we take this to the next level?
That's right. So Bidmatch is already a very powerful tool, but even better when paired with platforms like sam.gov for federal award history and RFIs, DLA DIBS for DLA supply chain opportunities, usaspending.gov for market research. We'll guide you in layering these tools to stay proactive and competitive.
So to close up, Ishrat, how does a business get started?
That is a great question. To enroll in Bidmatch, simply go to ctapex.org, click on Request Counseling, choose Bidmatch as one of the areas of interest. Next, you would meet with your assigned counselors, will handle the rest. If you have any questions, you can also reach out to me directly, inasmi@ctapex.org.
Thank you, Ishrat. That was a truly insightful discussion today. Bidmatch is a great tool that is completely free to all CT Apex clients. Also, please reach out to us at info@ctapex.org with any questions or concerns. If you'd like to be notified for future episodes, please consider subscribing to the CT Apex channel and turning on notifications by hitting the bell icon or staying up to date on our social media. This was Andres Calvache on CT Apex. Thank you for tuning in to the GovCon Mindset, empowering your government contracting journey one insight at a time. Until next time, stay focused and keep moving forward.